You're walking away.
Nice job saving the sand dune, Dune Patrol. Way to stay frosty.
But our job is not done yet. Dune Patrol, ho!
In late December or in June, you know we'll protect the dune! Guys, what's that sound? What in the world is that?
Oh, no! It's Ronald!
He's riding in some kind of tiny car.
Oh, and he's wearing a cool helmet!
Can't stop now. I'm going to ride my dune buggy on the sand dune.
Oh, he's riding his dune buggy on the sand dune.
Man, oh man, we gotta stop him!
Dune Patrol, ho!
Oh, rats, we'll never catch him. He's going too fast. I know what to do. Hop on!
Amazing work, Daisy! Let's ride.
He's heading for the dune!
Oh, sweet sand dune, I shall ride my buggy upon you.
Rhino, stop your dune buggy this instant! There will be no riding on sand dunes today!
Oh, yeah? We'll see about that.
You'll never get to that dune!
Oh, really? Well, watch me.
Ronald, look out!
What hit me?
Oh no, the sand dune is ruined!
What's the big deal? It's just a big pile of sand.
No, it's not a pile of sand. It's a dune, and it helps protect the town from ocean water when it rises.
He does what now?
And it helps replenish our beach with sand after storms.
Wait, for real?
Yeah, and it's a nesting place for birds also, so...
It is?
Yep, and it's a habitat for lots of other animals, too.
Oh, no. I didn't know all this. What have I done?
The poor sand dune!
Hey, sand dune, we messed up. Hey, guys, we may be able to fix this. How? It says here we can build a fence around the dune to keep people off of it. Really? Yeah, and we can put up signs that say, keep off the dunes, dude.
Signs?
Yeah, and we can plant dune grasses to make the dune stronger.
But how can we do all of that when there are only 4 of us in the Dune Patrol?
Make that 5 of us.
What, Ronald?
I'm Dune Patrol.
I'm Dune Patrol.
I'm Dune Patrol, too.
We're Dune Patrol. Dune Patrol. One day we'll save the dune. Together we'll save the dune. Dune Patrol. I think I just wrote the theme song of Dune Patrol, guys. Let's protect that dune!
Onward and Dune Patrol word! That doesn't really roll off the tongue. Let's just go. Looks like our work here is done. The dunes are protected.
Let's hear it for the Dune Patrol.
Now we can go sand surfing on that dune.
Ronald!
What?
Read the sign. We just talked about this.
Keep off the dunes. Oh, yeah. I'll surf in the ocean instead.
Good idea! Come on!
Ah, I sure do love nature. It's my first name, after all.